I'm Janet Decay the Mummy.
And I'm Grimm Gorri the Monkey.
And together we host
The Mummy and the Monkey's Hairy Scary Hangout!
Friday nights on Facebook Live.
Well, that was interesting.
Whoa.
Wow. Hey, what's up, Monster Hustlers? What's grooving? What's cool? What's groovy? What's shaking? It's Janet and James, and we're gonna go do one of our A-hauls based on the stuff that we got that yard sale that we were the only ones at 8 a.m. And the A-haul, of course, stands for A stands for awesome, right?
An awesome haul. So yeah, we're gonna show you the loot that we picked up at that yard sale the other day.
We're gonna show you our booty. So let's go and see what we got.
Woohoo!
All right, you want to hold that camera?
Yeah.
Don't mind the weed whacker in the background. It's just that time of year, right?
Right,
Everyone's
summertime.
getting ready for the Memorial Day party today. It is Memorial Day,
Yes.
March 25th, or April 25th, sorry.
May 25th, honey.
Whatever.
It's May
I'm
already.
so confused now.
It's Blur's Day. All the
Just
days
joking.
blur
Yeah,
together.
It's May 25th, 2020, and the first thing that I picked up was this Cleveland Indians Champions pennant from 1995. I don't know if it's a repop or not, but who knows? But it was kind of cool. 50 cents. Everything there was real cheap.
Yeah, the pricing was so good, and what was awesome about this yard sale is it was helping the local homeless people here in Northeast Ohio.
So I picked up a lot of plush personally here. I got not one, not two, but 3 Steven Universe plushies with tags. They were 50 cents a pop. Not too bad, I don't think. I could, even if I sold them for 10 bucks a piece or 12 bucks a piece, that's pretty good. I have sold one of these in the past. It took a while, but I don't know. Now that the show's over, maybe people are looking for stuff. Yo no say. Anyway, I picked up some hats for myself because these were only 50 cents a piece, brand new with tags. Because these are pretty much my wig since I'm follically challenged. I don't have anything interesting going on top. So I just buy a lot of hats, wear a lot of hats. I love hats. My wigs.
Hey, 50 cents. That's awesome.
That's right. What else did I get? Oh, speaking of plush, got this here Starfire from the Teen Titans Go cartoon show. Don't you know? A little cute sort of
Wizard of Oz, the Tin Man.
Stylized, kind of cartoony.
Just a cute plushie.
Yeah, again, I think these are all like 50 cents a piece.
For being the Tin Man, he's a big softy.
Something from, there you go. Something from Yo Gabba Gabba.
Yo Gabba Gabba.
Scratchy from Itchy and Scratchy.
Itchy and Scratchy.
One of Janet's hairs all over it.
Yeah, I shed. Sorry.
That's okay. That cost extra.
Yeah, the hair's an added bonus.
I think this is it for the plush. I got these little Hanna-Barbera
It's Yogi
characters.
Bear.
They were a dime a piece, and these are
Snagglepuss, Quick Draw McGraw,
Augie Doggy, Wally Gator, Snagglepuss.
They're
Quick
so
Draw.
cute.
These were like 10 cents a piece, but they were, I guess Dairy Queen put these out not too long ago, so you know, I'll probably sell them as a lot. We'll see what I can get for that. I mean, that's not too bad.
The price was right on these toys, and we do have some luck selling vintage toys.
Yeah, and we're trying to sell stuff that's a little smaller anyway, and not too big.
And
to ship.
easy to ship.
Yeah.
The trash pack.
Yeah, I think these are those
Gross gang in your garbage.
Squishy toys that come in the foil pack. That's why they have this kind of silver thing. This is only $1. Well, why not? People like to.
What the buck?
What the buck? There
what
we go.
the buck, guys?
This was only what the $2.
What the $2?
It was a Star Wars. It is a Star Wars Stormtrooper watch.
That's a nice watch.
Not too shabby.
New in the box.
It needs a battery, but you know we can work with that.
I've had good luck selling watches new in the box.
I got a laser straight. It's new in the pack. As seen on TV. I have to look into the Vero issues with as seen on
Double
TV
check
or
that
something
brand.
like that. Yeah, there's something to do
Or
with
put it
eBay.
on Mercari, because it seems like they don't care about that stuff on
Try
there.
a different app. This is kind of a fun
Snow
little find.
White.
Yeah.
It's a little Snow White doll.
With the KB Toy Store sticker
From
still
the
on it.
90s.
Vintage. Something I might just use myself, a keyboard vacuum.
Keyboard vacuum, 25 cents.
I don't know how much it's really going to help, but whatever.
Hey, that might help clean your keyboard.
A couple of fun ornaments. This is a Snoopy one.
Yeah, careful with that one. It's like resin or
It's
something.
like wood or something. Yeah, it looks like
I
wood,
think
but
it's
it's resin. Yeah.
Peanut Snoopy.
But by Jim who? I can't
Jim
read.
Shore.
Jim
Designs
Shore.
by Jim Shore.
I don't have my glasses on, so I can't read that really that good. I can read, folks. I just couldn't see that very clearly.
He just likes to look at the pictures.
I can't read. Okay. There was a few vintage things there. Were a few vintage things there. This was one of them. I'm pretty sure this is
Gay Paris.
Gay Paris. One of these like little glasses for drinking, you know.
Très magnifique.
With all the little scenes. Someone was using it as a votive, or suggested maybe you could use it as a votive.
That's cute.
The motive is the votive. This, by the way, we tried to film this 2 other times earlier.
We had an issue with the memory card on my GoPro, so we're using the little Sony camera.
Yeah, low def.
Yeah.
So this was another little vintage find. It's like the little hillbilly in his hooch jug, his whiskey jug.
Yeehaw!
And
he's wearing like a funny wizard hat.
It's only 50 cents.
And a Where Was Waldo shirt.
Yeah, before Waldo. He was cool before Waldo was. This was fun. When I first bought this, I thought it was going to be all these coasters of the Phantom of the Opera.
Phantom of the Opera.
These things, but it's actually coasters with a bunch of different Broadway shows, like Phantom, because it's on top. I thought they were all like that.
Aspects of Love, Phantom, Les Miserables.
Chorus Line.
Chorus Line.
And of course, Cats.
Meow.
Great movie, by the way.
Oh, terrible
Fantastic movie. Have not seen it yet.
You don't need to see it to know that.
I heard they have
absolutely
they have a
horrendous.
beehole version of it where you see the cat's beehole.
Oh my gosh.
But anyway, yeah, they CGI'd them out.
Soap Opera Challenge trivia game.
Yeah, these were in the free box. I got Young and the Restless and Guiding Light. Who wouldn't want these?
They wrote free on it. Might have to try to take that off if you do try to sell it.
Here's another ornament I picked up for like 50 cents.
This is actually a cookie press. It's
you can use it as a cookie press, or is it just called cookie? Oh, it is.
It's an actual cookie press. It's a ceramic Winnie the Pooh cookie press.
See, I thought it was just a called cookie press, like that was the name of the...
No, it's a real cookie press.
Not to be confused with the Beastie Boys Cookie Puss, of course.
Oh my.
Look that one up, everybody. You get extra points if you know what that is. That's an old reference. And a few other things I got. This trusty Peanuts mug. The world is filled with Mondays.
Good grief.
Yeah, it's Charlie Brown all the way. That was only
We all have our
50 cents.
Charlie Brown moments.
And then I don't even know if these are the older ones or if these, because I know they re-release these all the time. But here's some of these little helmets, NFL football helmets, and the for the quarter machines.
Those egg capsules.
Or the 50-cent or dollar
Capsule
machines.
toys.
When I was a kid, they were a quarter. These size capsules.
Back in my day.
When I was a kid, and the last few things I got to present, and then we'll turn it over to Janet, is the Halloween stuff that they had wasn't really abundant. They had a few things, and most of it was like home stuff, like decor. So I picked up this 84-inch long oval, whatever that means, long oval table cover.
Tablecloth.
But it's got this like witch who's like a pumpkin. She's got some kind of
witchy
weird bread with
pumpkin
some-
poo there.
Mommy was a pumpkin, Daddy
Pumpkin
was a
butt?
witch. I don't know.
I don't know.
And then lastly for me is this World Market branded Halloween vintage,
Oh, look at those.
made to look old.
Look how cute that is.
Made Halloween. How do you spell it like the old Halloween?
Halloween.
Greetings to thee. The jack-o'-lantern guys. And that was 50 cents. Again, it's a World Market branded.
Adorable.
So yes, I will move my junk out of here, or just leave it there.
I'm okay with your junk.
And I can, well, thank you.
And
That's why you married me.
And I'll show you my junk.
Finally. You better, that would go in your trunk?
I will show you the junk from the trunk.
All right.
All right, got some leather sandals. These are Dansko brand. They look brand new. So these would be considered new without the box or new without tags.
Try to hold things a little lower.
Paid $1 for those. So I don't know. Maybe I could get 15 or 20 bucks for them. I am selling some summertime sandals right now.
Yeah, this isn't the GoPro, so I'm not getting everything. I'm just getting right here.
Bratz Dolls, a bag of those for $1. These little guys, and then their little car for $1. So that could be good. Maybe I could sell them together as a lot. I know like the dollies and stuff sell. The Bratz Dolls though, I don't really know a lot about, but I'll have to do some research.
You lift that door up and make sure Earl doesn't jump out of there.
He won't. Steven Salario sandals and shoes. These are leather sandals. Got them for $1. I'm not familiar with that brand, but what the buck? I'm gonna give it a try. Pants. 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of jeans and pants for $1 a piece. If they don't fit me, I'm gonna sell them online between $9 and $10 a pair, which is still a good little flip. They might not sell till fall, but that's okay. I can wait. It's summer right now. Who's going to be buying pants? But the price was right,
True that.
Patagonia shorts. A lot of resellers on YouTube poop their pants over Patagonia. I guess it's a really good brand, and these are really nice looking ladies shorts. They're a size 12. Only $1. Nice colors. So I think I could probably sell those for 15, 20 bucks. But I gotta look them up. Some shorts for me, new with the tag. Because, hey, when you're a thrifty reseller, you look for bargains for your own clothes. A t-shirt, I think I got this for 50 cents new with the tag. This is, it's called Segments Merino Wool by Woolmark. It's a 100% wool, really nice red top. So that's probably something that would sell good in fall and winter. So if I don't keep it, I'll probably just sell it. And then this is a really nice Murano brand sweater.
Well, what'd you call me?
Murano is the brand of the sweater. And brand new, look, they wanted $95 for this.
Oh.
So I got this for $3. When I looked up Murano sweaters for men and women, the sales are all over the place, like $20, $25, $30. So it's not going to sell for a while because it's summer now. But still, it was a good price. I wanted to grab it for the inventory. This was in the free bin. It says very sexy Victoria's Secret. There's a little bit left, so I got a little bit of sexy for free.
Nothing wrong with that.
And then
Matter of fact, yeah.
James found this for me for 50 cents. It's a little USB charger. I always lose my phone
There's
chargers.
a new one for you to lose.
Yeah, so I could probably use that.
Or lose it. Use it or lose it.
Little La La Loopsie, La La Poopsie toys. 25 cents for the bag. And then I got some jewelry. This is a Chico's watch that looks like it's silver plated for only $1. What the buck? And with the watches, most of the time I could get them working if I put a battery in them. Birdies are loud.
They are chirpy.
All right.
We got a couple families of them living over here by the garage, so.
Yeah, we have a bunch of little bird houses, and they're just having a party or something. Maybe they're having a cookout, too.
It's their Memorial Day, yeah.
Yeah.
Grilled worm.
So, some of these charms are marked 925 sterling. This is a charm bracelet, and I need to do more research to see if it's a Pandora charm bracelet, but this was only $2. So I thought it was worth it to do some research and see if it's cool. Maybe I could sell the charms individually, or maybe I could just sell it as is, but it's a pretty bracelet. And then here's another cool bracelet that has a lobster clasp, and it has a cool design. I'm not sure if this one's sterling or not. It does have some weight to it, so there's a good chance it might not be, but it just looked really neat. So this was $3. I wanted to. Sometimes you just have to
go for it.
Go for it. Yeah, this is an Alex and Annie bracelet. Alex and Annie is a costume jewelry brand where they make these little charms and things.
Uh-oh, there he goes.
Oh, hold on a sec.
I told you.
No, Earl. Earl, get down. Earl.
I told you he's going to try to do that. He's stuck on there. Look at that.
Oh, it's okay. I got you.
Shut that dough.
Oh, were you scared? I got to put Earl back.
Make it snappy.
Aww.
What did you think he was going to do? It's too tempting.
I was hoping he'd behave for the video.
No, this is, come on, it's like...
He hears the people talking. He wants to go see the people.
Sure, and it's that old thing, what, kids and animals, you don't work with in film because they're too unpredictable.
Now this one was $5, and this is got like a fancy, like vintage antique look. And I think there's a good chance that might be silver or silver plated. But I need to check them. I'm gathering up a bunch of jewelry where I can do the test things for silver and gold. But yeah, that's pretty much.
We have another visitor.
Oh, neighbor cat. It's Mulder.
I told you, animals will upstage you every friggin' time.
They do. Hi, Mulder. Hi, Mulder.
All right.
So that's the haul. We spent $52 for this whole box of stuff. And do you think we could at least double it or triple it?
I'm hoping so. I can't wait to start putting this stuff up one of these days. We got to get the listing soon.
Yeah, we got to get listing this week, and we got to work on our Mummy and Monkey show for Facebook.
It's coming up 4 more days.
Yeah, so we will go live again on our Facebook page, The Mummy and the Monkey. If you guys like cheesy B movies, you can follow us on there too, and check out all of our video archives. If you like the reseller videos, check out all of the videos on our Monster Hustle playlist. There's a ton here to watch, and I'm sure we'll make more in the future. So happy Memorial Day, guys, and stay safe out there. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, guys. See you next time here on Monster Hustle.
Bye-bye. Meow. Kitty, kitty.